Hello. Today I'm going to check out an AI coding assistant. It's called Cody. I think it's a lot better than Copilot from my experience. Um, so I guess I know what your first question is going to be, and that is, how is it any different from Copilot? Basically, I think the main difference um, is that it's a lot more context aware. It knows your entire code base. So when you ask it for help with anything, it's going to look at other files and it makes a lot of recommendations based on your specific context, which not like a general context like Copilot. It makes it a lot more helpful. But yeah, let's jump in and let's check it out. Here's the web page to meet Cody that knows your entire code base, answers questions, writes code directly in your IDE using your code graph for context and accuracy. Looks like it has basic AI system autocomplete that we're used to, AI powered chat for your code, questions about our code base. We can run custom and pre-built commands, explain code or entire repositories, generate unit tests, that's nice, describe code smells, and define your own custom commands. Cool. Jump into those a little later. There's a free tier, obviously, with a generous limit that, yeah. So, okay, let's log in with GitHub, authorize source graph. Works with, we're going to do visual VSCode for now. Install this and sign in with GitHub. Authorize. Great. So now we have the commands, chat, create documentation, edit, explain, smell, test, custom commands, chats, new chat. Let's load up a repo and let's ask questions. We're using the course builder application from Joel Hooks. Create a new chat. You can choose different AIs. Those are custom, like Claude 2.0, 2.1, chatgpt 3, 4. We'll use the @ symbol to include a specific file we want to talk about, ask questions about, or the ask or type of symbol. /ask, doc, /edit, etc. Start off by typing explain this repo to me. So that's pretty straightforward. Great. It only looked at one file, just to read me, so that's fine. So this is just the beginning of it. It's proof of concept for building of online course creation tool, event-driven workflows, monostructure. This tech stack includes everything there. Examples of events, video uploaded, transcript summary. So I have a basic NextJS app. Just ran create next app, and this is the default page.tsx next.js. Start up Cody, new chat. So I asked it to help me create this app, and I explained it was a dynamic yeah, and this is what it came up with. It knows we're using Next.js. So it's suggesting a CMS like Sanity, but we don't need it at this point. Use a deploy Vercel to deploy it. We need a hero section, example quest, call to action, dashboard, quest details, profile, authentication, dynamic quest from headless, quest status, retro pixel art theme, additional ideas, gamification, animation, sound effects, mobile app as well. Good suggestions. Let's see how we can get started. So I just typed help me implement the changes to app page and see what happens. Wow, there you go. It created basic page .tsx. import fetch from utils quests, import quest card, page module, any of our sort of quests there. All right, let's check it out and see what it does. Well, inserting it basic, we have some issues, some files and components that are not compiling. Let's go here and create a utils folder for quests. So we have to create those folders that don't exist. Implement the utils/quests.tsx file to only return some dummy data for now. Yeah. Okay, so there it generates that. Let's go ahead and implement that. We're exporting a function, fetch quests. Looks like we got dummy quests, slay the evil dragon, rescue the princess, etc. So that, I gotta change that. At app, that should fix that. Let's create the quest card now. Components quest card. So we create that. We're gonna go app, new file. Yeah. So we have to create those ones that they're supposedly generated for us. TSX, questcard.tsx. Let's go and ask Cody to implement the questcard.tsx code, please. There we go. So it gave us CSS, TSX. Let's implement that. Let's also add the quest card module CSS. Put that over there. We're looking for name, description, and completed. There we go. Let's go do the same thing here. At app as well. So that should, what else is not working? Okay. Key name description. Over there we got name, description, and completed. So we don't, so we need all four, right? So we need the completed there. Set that to quest completed. Let's see if Cody can help us fix this first. We need our quest data. Ask Cody to fix it. You can just right click if you're in VSCode. Created a nice interface. Might want to put the interface up there just to make more sense there. Let's do a quick fix there as well. So anything that's red, you can basically, ask Cody to fix it. Looks like we don't have any other errors. We're having issues with use effect. Where's that? Okay. We've got some state and some local handling stuff. Let's make this a client component. So use client. Let's go back and we have some existing styles. We can delete those for now. So that's what it comes out so far. I guess that's not bad for 8 minutes. Not bad. You need to be able to complete the quests and do other things. Quest card. I'm going to select that. Cody, Alt-Shift-P for Cody to bring up the commands. Alt-C actually. Alt-C slash doc edit actually. Let's say add a way to check a quest as completed. There we go. So now it should be generating simple code for that. So checkboxes, fairly simple. Right, a span and then a checkbox. So it has code generated for that, and HTML. Let's apply that change from Cody. Checkboxes. So you can check it, but you can't uncheck it. Okay, that's a bit weird, I guess. Let's work on the styles a bit. So let's say edit. Okay. I just applied a whole bunch of styles. A little better, I guess. Let's implement the quest part. Module CSS based on quest card. Create the styles for that ad. Okay, there we go. Copy that into and enter that there. Looks much better. Okay, let's edit. Make the text black. Okay, that's better. Otherwise, it's just all white. You can't really see it. Okay, better. So we have slay the dragon, rescue the princess, hunt for treasures. Complete, not complete. Yeah, you still can't check them. So we need functionality to add another one instead of just having those 3 hard-coded ones there. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we can put that there. Add an input to add more quests. So it actually shows you what it's editing while it's doing it. Looks kind of cool. It's editing a lot of stuff. Use a state. Then we are add a new quest. And you can preview it before you actually, say save it or what have you. Input on change, set new quest. Save it. There you go. So, okay, there's a few errors there. Ask Cody to fix. This is great. So, style that up. So just add styles, add styles. See what it comes up with. Okay, so it added some styles here. I'll save that into the module. So we get label, input, and button. Let's go over a page module. Back to the chat. Suggest styles for the new quest input section at the actual page. So this is basically like a copilot or whatever chat, similar. Copy it there. Let's put it here into the CSS. Save. It's a lot better. New quest, add quest. Functionality is working out of the box, or somewhat out of the box. Not complete. So you can add your works great. Let's do one more thing. Let's edit, add padding between input and button. Okay. We got to CSS the hell out of this. Okay. Okay, save that. That looks much better. One other thing I want to do real quick. Let's just highlight the whole thing. Edit. Add padding below. Yeah, it's probably an H1. I don't know if it's an H1 or not. Is it? Yeah. Oh, that worked. All right. Yeah, added below the H1, which is the top my epic quest. So let's go back to the ability. Oh yeah, we got to fix complete a quest. We need to be able to complete it. Okay, from the card. Obviously, we need a call here, and it needs to link to name description completed. This is not going to be perfect, but let's go to page. Let's implement functionality. All right, let's do this. Highlight that. Edit again, and then implement functionality to complete a quest and pass that to the quest. What's it called? Card. The quest card. Quest card. Let's see what Cody comes up with. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Where are we? Here's the edit. So we have a complete quest function. Set the quest. Find it and set it to complete. That's cool. And then on complete, call the complete quest with the ID. Yeah. Okay, so this is this is what I asked Cody to do, but I'm not really sure if that's actually going to work. Probably. Okay, yeah, I should actually pass a function, not an ID. The entire thing. And then the card, we need to pull in the complete quest. We're not pulling the ID, so edit, retrieve the ID, and complete quest function. Call the function when the quest is marked as complete. Okay, there we go. Awesome. That's great. Cool. Got the ID, just a string. On change, call complete quest with the ID. Yep, cool. Nice. Let's save that. Now we also need to pass in the ID. Let's go ahead and do that. What else do we have? Something. Oh, there's a few errors. All those red squigglies are errors. So we need to fix that. Let's see if we can get Cody. So just quick fix. Ask Cody to fix. Boom. Oh, what did Cody do? Okay, change it to a string. Okay, that seems like it should work. There we go. Completed. Oh, there's still a bug. You can't uncomplete. Okay. Still. Yeah, I didn't actually ask Cody to uncheck it. That's obviously double the functionality. So I'm pretty happy with what I'm able to accomplish in such a short time. I didn't actually get a chance to look at test or smell documentation. Yes, this is definitely a lot better than Copilot from what I've seen. Install it, give it a try. Thanks very much.